The mystery, the majesty, the comedy, the magic, the tragic, the terror, the action, the passion, the excitement. Presenting a new adventure in television programming, a new dimension in television entertainment, the MGM United Artists Premier Network. Hot stars, top films, and every film a broadcast television premiere. 24 blockbuster movies, 24 spectacular premieres. With no prior network exposure, you'll be seeing these films for the first time on broadcast television. Great performances, great stories, great premieres. The MGM UA Network. Your preview of the premieres begins with the outrageous, the romantic, the good times. Nick Nolte, not the kind of guy who goes looking for trouble, so he never saw Deborah Winger coming, and he never had a chance. A crazy sort of romance on Cannery Row. Space desperados, kung fu robots, galaxy gals in love. A spaced-out comedy from the far-out future. Blast off with the Ice Pirates. Peter O'Toole. He's Hollywood's and Benji's greatest hero. He may be the worst person to look up to, but it was the best time Benji ever had. My favorite year. Dudley Moore, Mary Steenburgen. They're having one of the world's greatest love affairs, and they don't even know it. The MGM UA Premier Network. You've seen the lighter side. Now, we'll take you for a wild ride. Suppose you could transfer from one mind to another the experience of another person. Any experience. Cliff Robertson, Louise Fletcher, Natalie Wood, Christopher Walken. The ultimate experience. Brainstorm. Marlon Brando, George C. Scott. They know the secret. And no secret is more important or more dangerous. The formula. Where they came from is unknown. What they did was unheard of. If they aren't stopped now, we may be an endangered species. Girls like Tracy never tell their parents about guys like Rourke. They both want only one thing out of life. More. Reckless. A shattered marriage. A family on the brink. Albert Finney. Diane Keaton.
I'm leaving.
Why did Daddy leave us?
Well, I don't think he left you. I think he left me. I loved you. God, I loved you.
Shoot the Moon. Mel Gibson, Sigourney Weaver, trapped on the razor's edge of political intrigue, lost in a sultry, passionate affair. The year of living dangerously. MGM UA, touching you with the beauty of friendship, the power of love, the race of a lifetime. The classic legend of the Black Stallion returns. MGM UA, arousing you with one woman, two love stories. One in a world where freedom is forbidden. One in a world without rules.
I cannot. I cannot.
Do you wish to touch her?
Meryl Streep, the French lieutenant's woman. The MGM UA Premier Network. You haven't seen it all, but you've seen enough to know that this is the hottest movie ticket in town. Taking you before history and beyond imagination. From tender romance to magical dance. From reckless abandon to fiery passion. Dreams of fame, nightmares of suspense. Swashbucklers, spine tinglers, rib ticklers. The movies, the stars, the network. The MGM UA Premier Network.
All of these films can be seen in the coming months on TV 26.